Hello, my name is Mark Ramos. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Agent Legend, and I'll be doing this quick app demonstration video. So first, let me tell you how you can get access to our application. I've sent an invitation to the email address oauth222@gmail.com, and you'll receive an invitation link there. Click on it. You'll be prompted to create a password and complete a quick configuration wizard that has 3 steps. The first one is to specify a phone number where you can receive text messages. You'll be asked to verify with a code. Next, you'll be asked to specify an area code where we will auto-acquire a phone number for you. We use this to send automated communications on behalf of our clients. And the third step is connecting your email, which is where you will see the OAuth consent screen. And I'm going to take you through an example of that now. By going into my account, I'm going to click Change Email here. And so you'll see a screen like this asking you, hey, which email address do you want to use? In my case, it's asking me to reconnect because it's already set up. So when we click this, you'll be redirected away. And here's where, first it's asking me which account I want to use, of course. And then you'll be presented with the Google OAuth consent screen telling us the permissions that you need, and you just click allow and you'll be redirected back to our application just like so. Easy peasy. So let me go through the different scopes that we use and show you how we use them. So first I'll start with the gmail.send scope. And we use this, of course, to send emails on our customer's behalf. And I'll show you an example of exactly how we do that. So our customers have leads that they send into our system. And they create various campaigns, which are sets of predefined communications that they send out to these prospects. I'll show you an example of one. And what you can do is define, on different days and different types of communications what you want to send. Email is one of the channels that we use, so you can define, for example, okay, on day 1 at this time, send an email that has this subject and this body, and we will fire this email off automatically on the customer's behalf through his account to his prospects as they come in. This is all content that they define. They write whatever they want to write, and it gets sent off automatically. And that's it. That's the only way that we use the Gmail send scope, which brings me to the Gmail.read-only scope. It's the only other one that we're asking for. And since we send these messages automatically on our customer's behalf, we also want to track replies. So that's one of the ways that we'll use the read-only scope. And what we do there is, of course, we want to know, okay, has a prospect responded to any of these messages so that we can track that. And here's an example of a conversation history from one of the prospects in this campaign. We sent out the email automatically on their behalf, and here the prospect responded. So we need to capture that, store it here for historical purposes, and also potentially notify the customer in any way that that makes sense. A second way that we use the Gmail read-only scope is to import their prospects into our system. So our customers receive the majority of their prospects via email notifications. And we need to receive those emails. Here's an example of one that contains lead info so that we can parse this info out, whatever the prospect's name and contact information have to be, and port it into our system. So this is the second way that we will use the read-only scope. And customers will actually define filters, for example, to tell us, well, here's the types of emails that I want you looking at to pull emails out of. So we look very specifically for emails that they specify, that are from this address or that have these words in the subject line, and that's how we get their prospects into our system. And that's it. Those are really the 3 ways that we use the Gmail scopes to do automation for our customers. If you have any more questions and need any more details or clarification, I'll be happy to provide it. Just let me know. Thank you.